Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will compare Coinbase versus Robinhood. We'll dive into their distinct features, helping you understand the nuances of each platform. We'll cover everything from available assets and fee structures to user experience and security protocols. By the end, you'll have a clear picture of which platform aligns best with your investment strategy and preferences, ensuring you make an informed decision for your financial journey. When it comes to fees, Coinbase typically charges a spread of about 0.5%, plus a transaction fee that can range from 1.5% to 4.5%, depending on the payment method. Robinhood, however, boasts commission-free trading for both stocks and cryptocurrencies. Regarding assets, Coinbase offers a much broader selection of over 250 cryptocurrencies, while Robinhood provides a more limited, but still popular range. For user experience, Robinhood is known for its incredibly simple and intuitive interface, making it ideal for beginners. Coinbase, on the other hand, offers a more robust platform with advanced charting tools and features, catering to experienced traders. Both platforms prioritize security, employing measures like two-factor authentication, cold storage for digital assets, and insurance against certain types of losses, giving users peace of mind while managing their investments. Ultimately, your choice depends on your investment goals. If you're seeking a wide array of cryptocurrencies and advanced trading features, Coinbase is likely your best bet. However, if you prioritize commission-free trading and a straightforward, user-friendly experience, Robinhood could be the perfect fit. Remember to consider your comfort level with fees and the specific assets you wish to trade. Also, for other great deals and to check out those leak-proof meal prep containers, be sure to look at the links in the description below.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.